All right, that was 1 container of our no-bake cheesecake that we are going to use to line our 9x13. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite stuff in the whole world. You can find it at Walmart, okay? Once we get that nice and beautifully spread out, we are gonna go in with my next favorite, which is Oreos. If you don't like Oreos, I can't trust you. And we are just gonna line our cheesecake with Oreos. Oh my goodness. Oreo cheesecake is the best flavor combination. I love getting the Oreo cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory, but this is gonna be even better than that.
What? No chance.
Yeah, okay, so let's quickly get these lined in our 9x13 so that we can get this ready for our party. All right, the last Oreo right in there. Oh, those Oreos smell incredible. Okay, we're gonna kind of move this to the side, and I'm gonna bring in a large bowl and a whisk. And in this bowl, I'm gonna add my family-sized chocolate instant pudding. This stuff is so good. You can use whatever pudding flavor you like, but chocolate is my favorite. And we're just gonna follow instructions on the box and add 3 cups of cold milk.
Stop. Oh.
A little too much?
Yeah, I think it'll survive.
Look, half of it's fallen on the counter anyways. Perfect. All right, and then we're just gonna whisk this up. It's gonna be so delicious, so easy, so yummy. All right, and just before this starts thickening up, we are gonna bring back in our dish, and we are gonna pour this onto our Oreos. Oh my goodness. Doesn't it look so good?
I'm like salivating. That's
Oh,
how
yeah.
delicious this looks.
Let's go ahead and get all of that goodness out. I like to put it on before it thickens up so that it's easier to spread. We just want to make sure that all of those Oreos are covered. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Ooh. Okay.
Can't wait.
And then we're just gonna let that thicken up for about 5 minutes. All right, now that this is thickened up, I'm gonna bring in my 16-ounce Cool Whip. You can make your own whipped cream if you want, and we're gonna just go ahead and put this right on top of our pudding. All right, and we are just spreading this from edge to edge. Try not to bring up that pudding. It's okay if you do a little bit, but we just want a nice fluffy Cool Whip layer on top of our delicious Oreo cheesecake chocolate pudding no-bake dessert. Oh yeah.
People love layers when they dig into something.
Oh yeah. It's like an explosion in their mouth.
Yeah, I love that.
All right, now I'm gonna come in with my Hershey's chocolate syrup, and we're gonna do a nice little drizzle right on top. Doesn't need to be anything crazy.
Oh, you're like really good at that.
Beautiful. And then to add a little bit of color and fun, we have some mini M&Ms. Now the chocolate syrup and the mini M&Ms are optional. Like I said, it's just like a little bit of fun and, you know, playfulness to our dessert. You can decorate it however you would like. All right, that looks absolutely delicious. Now this is gonna go in the fridge for 1 hour. All right, you guys, this is ready. Doesn't it look so good?
Oh, I am severely excited.
All right, and this is a spoon kind of dessert. So we're gonna go in, make sure you go all the way to the bottom so we can get that cheesecake. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Whew. Make sure you get all that on your plate.
It looks so cool. Is there any way to see the layers at all?
Oreos are still a little crunchy. Oh, perfect bite.
Oh, it's too good, huh?
It's really, really good, you guys.
I want a bite.
You gotta try it.